Beard oil. It's everywhere, but what is it? How do you use it? And do you need it? I'll let you know coming up next. What's up, guys? I'm Paul D'Onofrio back with you from Groom Reviews, where we're getting you comfortable, confident, and clean in grooming. On this channel, we're bringing you everyday grooming product reviews. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay on top of all of our latest videos. So today, we're looking at beard oils. And as you can see, I brought with me several beard oils from top brands such as Cremo, Willies, Honest Amish, and Mountaineer. So what is beard oil? Beard oil is essentially a conditioner for your facial hair and the underlying skin. Our bodies naturally produce oil to help our skin and hair stay moisturized, but sometimes we can strip these oils through cleansing and also through the passage of time as hair grows longer. This essentially dries out our skin, which can lead to itchiness, flaky skin, split ends, beard dandruff, and other irritations. With beard oil, we're helping put back that lost moisture to help keep that hair and skin refreshed and hydrated and help stop any of these issues from occurring. So when looking at these beard oils, you're going to see a lot of different ingredients in them, and each one has their own unique blend of what they think will work best for you, such as argan oil, sunflower seed oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil. You're going to see a lot of seed oils, a lot of nut oils. I'm going to open each one of these up and I'm going to show you guys the dispensers that they come with. All right, guys, so we've taken them out and you can see here that the Cremo and the Honest Amish have the eyedroppers. This Wild Willies has a pump, and this Mountaineer is kind of, you flip it upside down, you just tap the top and it drops one drop at a time. So a lot of people think that, you can't use beard oil on short beards or stubble. You have to use it on longer beards, which isn't true at all. Like we said before, it's for hydrating the skin, refreshing the beard hairs, softening them up. So even if you have a couple days of stubble, 2 to 3 days of stubble, go ahead and try some of this out and put it on there. That's only going to take a couple drops for something like that. Mine, like this, I probably put 3 to 4. If you have a bigger beard, you put probably 7 to 10 drops, maybe even more, depending on the size of your beard. I'm going to show you, for demonstration purposes right now, I'm just going to show you on the table how these come out. So, these ones with the dropper, I'm not the biggest fan of, because right away, it's just coming out. It's just coming out. You kind of have to wait for it, But essentially, 1, 2, 3, I'd probably put 4 for myself right now. So let's take a look now at the Wild Willies. I'm going to show you how this dropper works. So this one is a pump. So I'll show you how you pump. Pumps like that. So it's coming out a little bit fast. It's not going to give you a drop, but you're going to get a pump full in your hand. So if you like that, that could be a good fit. Here's the Honest Amish. It's the same exact thing as the Cremo. It's a dropper. But over here we have the Mountaineer. And I kind of like how the Mountaineer works, because I can flip this upside down right now and nothing's coming out. But if I put this on my hand, I hit it once, 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, 4 drop, and I know what's coming out. I really like that feature on this Mountaineer, and it's actually a good product. So then you just rub it in your hand and then just start working it. Work it up into the skin. I like to go up first and then start coming down, the way your beard's going to fall. Get it in the mustache. And that's it. It's just figuring out the number of drops you want for your size beard. Put it right in the palm, rub it in, get a full handful, and then just go in there and work it in. Even if you have a big beard, you want to make sure you get under it, get towards the skin, get in there towards the skin, then work it back into the beard hair. I like all of the items that are listed here. I've used all of them. They all have different kinds of scents to them. From a female standpoint, my wife has enjoyed the tea tree mint. Also, the Honest Amish had a nice scent to it that she enjoyed. As far as the best time to apply, if you look at the instructions on these different oils, each one gives a different set. Some will say take a shower, open up the pores with a hot shower, pat dry, and with a little dampness in the beard, then put on the oil. Others will say, hey, run it under the sink, pat it dry, and then put it in. You can also do it dry. These were essentially in the $9 to $12 range. If you have a bigger beard, you're going to be using more drops. It's going to go faster. So you're just gonna have to replenish a lot faster, and it's gonna cost a little bit more over the long run. This is used once daily. It's an oil, so if it starts to evaporate more, and you don't find that it's there, you can put it on twice a day, you put it on 3 times a day. It's up to you. These will last you a while. I mean, some will last you up to 3 months. Like I said, depending on how much you need to use, how many drops you need for the size of your beard. At a price point of $9 to $12 for these, I mean, can't go wrong just to try it out. Pick one out, try it out, see what you think. I wouldn't go higher than that. I wouldn't go to the $25 ones or the $30 ones. I mean, there's some very pricey beard oils out there, but I don't find a need for anyone to go beyond the ones you can get at your store. You can go to a Walmart, you can go on Amazon. I'll put some links below to the Amazon for all 4 of these products. I appreciate you looking at beard oils. I know this market has kind of blown up over the last few years. Been a lot of questions from people on what is beard oil, how do I use beard oil, do I need beard oil? You don't need to buy beard oil. I recommend though that you do go out, test out the beard oil at the price that it's at. It's worth it to try it out, see if you enjoy it. You might like it. It might be a new thing that you want to try out. The scents are great that are on there, so it gives you that nice smell. People will notice it, and you're going to have a great looking beard. I appreciate you guys being here. As always, a like, subscribe, a share, anything you can do to help the channel. I greatly appreciate it. I thank you again, and I'll catch you next time.